Imagine your car running perfectly yesterday, and today one tiny sensor can suddenly waste fuel, kill performance, and trigger a code you've probably never heard of. Stick around because fixing P0103 might be way easier and cheaper than you think. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Today I'm going to walk you through what causes this code, how to diagnose it, and the easiest way to fix it at home. Let's get started. First, what exactly is the P0103 code? It basically means the MAF sensor is sending a voltage way higher than it should, which tells the computer something is wrong with the sensor or the wiring that controls it. Common symptoms you'll notice: the engine may shake a little at idle, almost like it's struggling to breathe properly. When you hit the gas, the car feels slower than usual and it doesn't respond the way it should. You'll notice your fuel mileage dropping because the engine isn't getting the right air-fuel mix. Sometimes a bit of dark smoke can come from the exhaust if too much fuel is burning. The engine might stall occasionally, especially when you slow down or stop at lights. Most common causes behind this code: dirty MAF sensor, clogged or dirty air filter, cracked or leaking intake hose, loose or damaged wiring connector, faulty or worn out MAF sensor. Here is one simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. Method: a MAF sensor. MAF sensors are located between the air filter and the throttle body. Just remove it gently and take a quick look inside. The thin wire in the sensor often gets covered with dust or oil, and that buildup can cause the problem. Use a proper MAF cleaner and spray it directly on the wire, keeping the sensor pointed downward so the dirt can fall out and the wire doesn't get damaged. Once it's completely dry, put the sensor back in place and reconnect it. This alone fixes the issue in many cars. After everything, grab your OBD to scanner and clear the code. Take the car for a short drive. If the check engine light stays off, you're good. If it comes back, you missed something, usually a vacuum leak or wiring issue. That's it. Fixing P0103 isn't as scary as it looks. Most of the time, a simple cleaning does the job. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.